Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to this new episode. So if you're looking to send money from Venmo to PayPal, you've landed on the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from your Venmo account to your PayPal account, or even do it the other way around. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So before going any further, you can get the link to this complete setup guide or this complete money transfer guide from the video description. Okay, so you won't miss any step out. So in essence, the typical method that you want to use to send money from Venmo to PayPal back in the years, was to use a linked bank account. What do I mean by linked bank account? Okay, so linked bank account in this case is that the bank account that you use as a bridge must be linked to your Venmo account and your PayPal account at the same time. Okay, and the process typically involves you to transfer money from Venmo to the bank account, and once you receive the payment from Venmo, you then transfer these proceeds to your PayPal. From Venmo, you then transfer these proceeds from your bank account to your PayPal account. Okay, so that method, of course, was a very long method, and you will typically need to wait for between 3 to 5 business days to make this transfer go to completion. Okay, but thankfully now PayPal has made things even easier, and it even allows you to transfer money from your Venmo to PayPal or the other way around within seconds. Okay, so jumping right into the steps, the way to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal instantly is by using a PayPal Payname. Okay, so what actually is this PayPal Payname? So this PayPal Payname, also known as the Visa Plus Payname, is somewhat like a username. Okay, if you have been using Venmo for some time, or if you are on Venmo, which I think you are, you probably know what a username is. Okay, so this Visa Plus Payname for PayPal is identical to this username on Venmo. Okay, and it allows you to send and receive money to and from people on Venmo. Okay, so you can typically send money from your Venmo account to someone who isn't even on PayPal, who isn't even on Venmo. Okay, and you can also send money to someone directly from your PayPal account to someone who isn't on PayPal. Alright, and signing up for this Visa Plus Payname is very easy. Okay, all you have to do is to log into your PayPal account and tap the menu icon, and then you tap send and receive with Visa Plus, and then the app will walk you through verifying your identity and setting up a Payname. Okay, and the next step will be to agree and activate to set up your Visa Plus profile. Alright, so after you've done setting up your Visa Plus profile, you can get into using this Visa Plus Payname to transfer money from Venmo to PayPal. Let's get right into that. So once you set up your Visa Plus Payname with PayPal, you can then send money from Venmo to your PayPal account with the following steps. Okay, so open your Venmo and go to the Me tab, and then you tap the settings gear in the top right corner. After that, you tap the send money to PayPal and tap send. Okay, the next step will be to enter your PayPal Payname, and then after you enter the PayPal Payname, just enter the amount you want to send and then confirm the payment details after you hit next. Okay, and within just seconds your payment should be sent to PayPal without no issues. Okay, so that's how you get to send money from your Venmo account to your PayPal account. So if you found this video actually helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and tap the notification bell down below to not miss any upcoming content from us. Okay, so I'll catch you in the next episode.